It's ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm showing you how to create a mini course offer in Kajabi. First, what is a mini course? A mini course is a smaller, focused course that delivers one clear result quickly. It usually sells for $27.97 and is a great first product to build trust and create cash flow. Here's how you set it up. Step 1. Create a mini course product. Under Products, click New Product, choose Mini Course. Upload 3 to 5 short lessons that walk someone through solving a specific problem. Step 2. Set up a simple offer. Under Sales, Offers, New Offer. Connect your mini course product. Set your price, start with $47.97. Step 3. Build a landing page to sell it. Keep it simple. Problem you solve. Why it matters. How your mini course helps. Button to buy. Step 4. Link your landing page button to the offer checkout. Now when someone clicks, they buy and get instant access. Mini courses are a smart first sale because they're easy to create, easy to price, and easy for your audience to say yes to.